get it all day. Slow it down, let me get a replay. The way you just put it on me, on me. Run it back, run it back, run it back for me. Whoa. I wanna put you on my team. Run it back for me.
Hey guys, it's your girl NueNew the Hair Diva, and I am back with a story to tell you guys, as well as my e.l.f. haul. Now, if you haven't seen my Instagram post, here on the screen is my Instagram. Please follow me there because I put a lot of updates of things on my Instagram. But you guys, NueNew delivered a baby. Yeah, I just jumped right into it. I delivered my third grandchild. My daughter, my oldest daughter, had her second baby, and she decided to go through a birthing center. It was her first time doing it. She was nervous, I was nervous, and I was like, oh my goodness, I don't want to hear my baby screaming and hurting. But y'all, it was just the most wonderful thing I have ever seen. And I'm quite scared of my daughter right now because she has stamina. Do you hear me? She is so strong. And on February 8th, 2019 at 10:05 p.m., my granddaughter, Giovanna Gail, our last name, came into the world. Now, like I said on Instagram, when her mom gives me permission to post pictures, y'all best to believe my baby gonna be on Instagram, she gonna be on Facebook, and I may even do a little video about her, so be on the lookout for that. But I just want to tell my daughter, because I know she watches the videos, Mommy is so proud of you. I love you. I love all my grandchildren. Giovanna, Nana loves the baby. Yes, I do. I love the baby. And if you want to know more about it, stay tuned to my YouTube channel, as well as follow me on Instagram. And we are going to get started into this e.l.f. haul. Now, I asked everybody on Instagram if they wanted to see this, and I got this box in the mail. I took everything out so I could be prepared for the video. Right now, e.l.f. is having a 30% off all Valentine's Day type of makeup. So, if you look at the video and you go online, it may have been extended because since the baby came kind of early, I'm a little bit late getting to the video. But in front of me, I have everything that I picked up. And just to let you know, there are times that if you buy $25 worth of e.l.f. products, you will get free gifts. And I said, okay, I'm already getting 30% off, and I know I'm gonna spend about $25, and I got some free gifts. So, first thing I want to show you is I picked up another e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist, and this is the one in coconut. Looks like that. I really like this. I already have one right here, and these are wonderful. I never really thought that I would be a dewy girl, but now that it's kind of, well, it ain't kind of cool, it's cold. Now that it's cold, these dewy setting mist is really keeping my face hydrated, and I really like how it sets the makeup in as well. So I went on ahead and brought another one, and this was like, I think the regular price was like $6, and I got it for like $4 and some change. Okay, what else did I get? I picked up this little 3-pack of e.l.f. curler pads, eyelash curling pads. It looks like that. Because I'm going to start to try to wear lashes. However, the way I like to wear them is cutting them in half and just putting them on the ends. I don't got time to do the whole strip. I don't have time for that. So I wanted to make sure that I had some pads for my eyelash curler, and I went on ahead and picked that one up. What else did I buy? I purchased 2 of these sheer matte liquid lipsticks. Now I have 2. One came in a box and one didn't. And this one is called Deep Dahlia. I'll bring that in there. And it is this dark burgundy wine color. I already have the box open because I wanted to try to swatch them as well, and I didn't do a good job opening the box. But yeah, I wanted to try to swatch these items as well, and that's what I'm going to do. So this is what it looks like. And let's see what this color looks like on my hand. Ooh, that's pretty. Now, like I said, these are liquid sheer matte, and that's not really that sheer, but I think it should work. There are plenty of times that I don't wear dark colors like this, and it's my first time trying it out, so I wanted to see how it would be. I'm going to leave it on my hand, and hopefully I don't forget to try to swatch over it again. That was maybe about $2 and some change with the 30% off. Then I picked up another sheer matte lipstick, and this one is in the color Warm Sienna. Let's see if you guys can see that. Warm Sienna. And I'm just now popping the top on this. I mean, they really got this packaged in here good. Let me just pull the whole thing off. Okay. And this is what that color looks like. I wanted something that was nude, and that's the second color. That looks very nice, and as you can see, it has a really nice doe foot applicator, and it has the little well in the middle so that you can have the lipstick in there so that you don't have to keep reapplying. But those are the 2 colors of the sheer matte liquid lipsticks. And then I purchased a smudge pot. Now, I have lots of primers and things like that for my eyes, but I noticed that my eyelids are dark. As you grow into your makeup, you start seeing things you never saw before. So my eyelids are pretty dark, and I decided to pick this up, and this is called Cruising Chic, and it comes in packaging like that, and the name is right there, Cruising Chic. And I'm just gonna open it up and show you guys that is what the color looks like. Now I'm gonna take my nail and kind of scoop up some, just a tiny bit, and try to show you what that color looks like. It's okay. It's more like shimmer. Well, at least that's what it looks like to me. That's the color there. It's a little darker, more of a taupe color, but as you can see, it does have some shine to it. I think that could work. You know, we're going to see. I don't really need to be buying any makeup, but we're going to see how this e.l.f. smudge pot works. And that may have been like $1 and some change. Okay, what made me shop e.l.f. was these next 2 items, and then after that I will show you the items that they gave to me free. That was these Luminous Blush, and that's pretty much what they're called, just Luminous Blush. I picked up 2. This first color is called, what are you called? I don't see a name, so I'm going to take it out the pack, and the name is on the back. It is called Luminous Bronze. So it looks like this in the packaging, and this is what it looks like on the inside. Now, I wanted to have some more darker colors just to see. It is very, very smooth, you guys. Very smooth. Oh yeah. So that's what it looks like on the back of my finger, and I'm going to swatch right here. Ooh, that's nice. That's what the color looks like. Let me hold it up like that. And it's just called Luminous Bronze. Yes, that feels really nice, you guys. I think this was like $4 and some change, and it was the darkest color that they had, Luminous Bronze. And then I picked up one that was called Brilliant Mauve, and it looks like that. That's the packaging that comes in. The packaging also has the color on it, and right here it says Brilliant Mauve. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It almost looks like it's a peachy orange. So let me wipe my hands off. When I tell you guys that this is very soft, it feels like a high-end hourglass powder. Yeah, that's what it feels like to me. So, oh, wow, wow. That is nice. So that is Brilliant Mauve. And on screen, let me get a little closer. On screen, as you can see, it doesn't have shimmer in it, and I like that. But it does have a luminous effect to it. And it's this one here looks a bit duochrome. It looks a bit orange. It looks a bit peach. Like when I hold it like that, you can see the little orange, and when I hold it down, you can see the little peachy color. I am liking this one. Somewhere along the line, maybe next month in March, Shop My Stash, I will put these blushes in there and see how they work. But these blushes are the reason why I decided to shop excuse me, the e.l.f. website. Then I got 3 items for free. Here are the 3 items. And what they gave me is from their Beautifully Bare collection. This is a lipstick, a satin lipstick in Touch of Nude. Let's see if I can get this out. As my nails grow, becomes a bit harder, so I'm just gonna rip the box because I know I'm not going to give it back. Alright, so it's in this clear packaging like that with the silver on the inside. It's definitely plastic, and this is what the color looks like. Hopefully you can see it that way. And let's do a little swatchy poo. Oh, okay, this might be the nude color I've been looking for. Can you see it there? It looks taupe with a little bit of pink in it. It's not very bright. I wish I didn't have like this lip gloss, lip combination on, because I would definitely try it. This is something I will have in my Shop My Stash. That is really pretty. That's what it looks like. It is a satin lipstick. I done ripped up the box, and it's called Touch of Nude. That is really, really pretty. Then I got 2 smooth matte eyeshadows like that. One is called Blushing Rose, which is the darker one, and then Nude Linen. So let me go in ahead and pull these out, which seems to be a little bit easier. The packaging is like that. The little plastic comes off. And this is what Blushing Rose looks like in the packaging. So let me swatch it for you guys. And this is a eyeshadow, smooth matte eyeshadow. So on first application, it's a bit oily, and you will see that. But I'm going to have to test it out to see how matte it gets. This one here, Blushing Rose, it looks like that. it goes really well with the Touch of Nude lipstick. That is pretty. And can you see how it's a little wet there? It came out just a tad bit oily. So I'm going to have to see what that's like. I'm letting the rest of these dry down, and we're almost done, so they're probably not dry all the way. But let's get to the next one, which is called Nude Linen. Pull that out of the box. And this is what that looks like. And let's give you a swatch. I'm going to kind of stir this one up and see what that's like. So the wand on these looks just like that, and you can see the product there. And I'm going to put this right here. Okay, now this one actually looks like it can be like a concealer shade for my eyes, but this is also a shade I've been looking for to kind of do smoky eye on the outside of my eyes and a color like this on the inner, and that's what it looks like. It is very bright, but it's not as wet as the top one is, but that's really pretty. I think I'm gonna like these. I don't remember how much it was, but in the description bar, always check the description bar, because I do put the products that I purchase down there, and today I'm gonna try to put the prices with them. Let's go and look at these lippies. I'm going to see if it smudges. Okay, just a little bit, that's good. Well, that's not good, but it doesn't smudge too much. The other one, as you can see, is still a bit moist right there, so I'm just going to smudge up. And when I did, it practically just blended out. So it looks like you will need time to have them dry down, but you know, I do my makeup early in the morning, so I will have time. But that is everything that I got from e.l.f. It wasn't a large order, just about $25, and I got some free items. I'll look back on there again because I'm getting back into e.l.f. Maybe I'll look at more of these smooth matte eyeshadows, as well as these blushes, whether they're on sale or not. I will probably check into that again. And I'm going to look at these lipsticks. Sometimes when I swatch things, if it's a really pretty color and I think it's going to work for me, I know before using it, it may be something that I like. So just be on the lookout for next month Shop My Stash. For most of these products, I might put everything that I got in there along with some other items. And yeah, that is it. You guys, I'm just so overwhelmed, excited. I'm fumbling over my words because I am a new grandma. Can't y'all believe that? I am a new grandma. So happy. Praises to God for all of that as well. I'm going to end this, as I always do, by saying to all be blessed. Wear your makeup, save your money, and NueNew will see you in a few days after playing with the baby in the next video. Bye.
Girl, you can get it all day.